Hello, yeah. So this is C++ programming, and we are going to ensure we create a program where you not be performing one that's operation. Let's say you will do addition and subtraction solely, but it will give you various options to choose from. That's if you want to do multiplication, you select from the options given. Addition, you select, and so on. So this is what this very program is all about. And we are going to use switch case. So switch case is actually, when we talk of switch case, we are talking about it allows you to actually select from various options being given. So you choose from the various options that you actually being given. So let's not waste time. So we are going to declare our variables, and so we are going to declare a variable of int choice. So this is where we are going to store our choice here, and there's a here enter option to choose. Seeing choice, seeing choice. So now, sorry, yeah, okay. So let's do so this is what we are going to allow the users to basically see the options are available. So multiplication. Let me start with addition first. But the actual purpose of this video is to allow you to basically have the fundamentals right before you start making use of that's any tool out there or something. So it is important to get the fundamentals right before yeah. So you have addition, subtraction, and we're going to add division. So this is what we are going to do. That's in a situation whereby you are not supposed to only perform a certain a certain function or something. Yeah, you are actually given various options to choose from. So this is what you are going to do. I'm just working for user experience sake. Yeah, there's no actually. And here we are going to display to the user. So choose an option. Choose an option. So here you are actually going to be asked to choose this verb. So we are using C++. This we need to ensure that everything is fine for here before we move on. So enter option to choose, and the line of code is terminated. So here you have the addition, subtraction, and division. The various options are here, and when we enter any value, we are not going to get any response or any results because we've not done that's anything. So here we are not going to make use of this. Since we are going to use switch items that allow use, that's that. So the case is what we are going to rely on. You have case 1. So when you select case 1, what are you going to do? Say case 1 is actually going to be that's addition, and let's declare a variable here, a variable of float. This float, it holds decimal value, whole numbers and decimal values as well. So we are going to use float for the total, for our total, yeah, and also first number and second number. That is what we are going to do. We are just going to use that's first number and the second number. We are going to be adding two numbers. We're going to subtract from various two numbers, and we are going to divide from that's two numbers as well. So let's this variable, let me make it accessible for all the all the various cases in order for them to have access to. So num1, so num1, have num1, float num2. So don't forget to end the line or terminate your line. So here we have all our variables being declared in here, and the total num1, num2. So here we are going to display to the user what they are supposed to do. So enter first number, to enter first number, and seeing num1. See, so here after seeing num1, what are you going to do? We allow the users to also enter second number, and the total is what? The total is going to be num1 num2. See out, you're going to display the results. So addition of, you're going to display, we are going to make use of something we call concatenation. This is something we call concatenation. So for concatenation, it allows you to basically bind variables and the strings as in your code. So this is what we are going to do. So addition of num1, addition of num1, addition of num1 and num2, addition of num1 and num2. Is equal to that, equal to our total, So addition, okay, so we've already okay, so addition of num1 and num2 is total, and here this is the first case, and we need to ensure whether our implementation here is actually right. So num1, num2, we didn't see in num2, didn't see in num2. So this is what is actually done. Okay, so now lines have been terminated, or we are having some error. So we are select from various options. Okay, choose an option. There's something here that okay, so actually you're supposed to allow users to choose an option. So they're supposed to choose an option. So addition, subtraction. Oh, okay. So seeing choice. seeing choice, so we are supposed to allow users to enter the choice as well. So once they so you need to select the choice, and the first number is going to be 20, the second number is going to be 10. So addition of 20 and 10 is equal to 30. So the concatenation here has actually help us make attach strings and the numbers together. So let's run the program again. 20, so addition of 20 and 20 is equal to 40, and we are having our addition right now. We are done with our first case. So let's move on to the second case. So case 2. So case 2 is actually going to be this is subtraction. So subtraction, we are going to have similar implementation. For the sake of time, we are going to have to enter first number, enter second number, and subtraction. We are going to make sure that subtraction. The subtraction of number 1 and number 2 is equal to. So this is the case 2 that we are going to have. So let's run the program and see whether this one also work, just as we've done. So enter first number. First number we're going to 20, 10. So subtraction of 20 and 10 is equal to 10. Wow, when we have the results right, let's move on to the case 3. So the case 3 will also be a similar 10. So for the cases here, also going to have a similar implementation here. So just that you are just going to change the operators, and that's fine. So once you are done with the first one, and that's what you are actually supposed to do. Since you are done with the first one, so right now we are almost through with, so let's select the third one. Division of that's 20 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2, so division of 20 and 2 is 10. So right now I think we're actually done. So for user experience sake, it is very important to have your way. Okay, now so I think for now we are almost through with what we intend to do. So let's run that's the entire program again. Before we actually end, you have let me add default, so that when we enter that's when we enter anything that do not fall within the range, we are actually not going to get any response. That's when we enter a figure. So invalid option. So this is what we are going to. That's anything that do not fall within the range. So choose an option. Let's for user experience 1, 2, 3. So for user experience sake, we are letting the user know what they're supposed to do. So right after this very program, you're supposed to okay. So yeah. So this what I'm supposed to do instead. I forgot that. So the default is actually like this. So you are choosing an option from 1 to 3, and first one addition of 20. So 20 and 20 is 40, and let's run the program again. We are choosing 2 subtraction and So we have the result right. That's for the subtraction, and the last one is, or the third one, 29 divided by 5. 29 and 5, that's in division. Oh sorry, I picked the 3 instead. Okay, yeah, okay, we are done with the subtraction. Okay, so that's 5.8. yeah, 5.8. so that's the division of 8. So this is the result for the division. And the last one, that's the default we're going to see. Why I'm entering this, and we are seeing invalid option. So we are actually done with this very program. Yeah, thank you very much, CJ Tech. So to basically have access to some of these videos, you need to subscribe to my channel. That's this very channel. So click on the subscribe button. Thank you very much, and like, and also if you have any comments, you can drop it in the comment section. Thank you very much, CJ Tech.